startup, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today's video how to make money e-commerce business. The official code book. Top profitable e-commerce business idea that made money in 2021. Update the fact is there is not perfect time to start your e-commerce business is because it's different in business, but the ideas that turns a business from most gold will most people are comfortable with launching their e-commerce business because of required invitation laws, postage and shopping flexible, but then numbers once worry that stop them in the track is because of repeat invitation laws, postage and shopping factors, but the numbers once worry that stop then their trick is what idea purchase and almost implement what product selling. To answer that question, I second the web and comfort and e-commerce business idea that provide a successful in online marketing based on the preparation, content and success rate. Here load best e-commerce business with best e-commerce business for time and investment what we are opening in and for the best e-commerce business idea. First, fashion jewelry product market niche explorer. Second, smart horse product and access business ideas. AR/VR headset apps and access store business ideas. Web hardware followers and liquid niche examples. 5. Online learn platform. Step business idea. 6. 3D access store business idea. 7. Electric stocks state and hardware niche example. 10. Animals pens e-commerce product idea. 11. Self drones niche explain. 12. Smartwatch e-commerce product idea. 13. Discount business idea. 14. Video doorbell business idea. 15. Body remove e-commerce product idea. 16. Face market e-commerce business idea. 17. Kitchen and dining matting e-commerce business product idea. 19. Digital marketing business idea. 20. Online fintech coaching niche example. H1 Niche fashion jewelry product market explore niche product will be are remove stock regulated of any business. Having said that year 2021 we see more niche e-commerce stores popping up the local technical like because we both manage our own delivery system with cultural planning niche e-commerce still especially style of jewelry appeal whether take example a fashion website offer designing articles toward as to smart home product and access business idea. Despite the rise demand from smart product, not many e-commerce stores are selling this product during last year alone. Its latest 14 percentage in American user smart home speaker that's once of entry e-commerce ideas with 50% in 2021. Now time planning online purchase this extra niche. Yes, ARVR latest app and access store business idea. And unconventional reckoning tools that's long to become available to the manage but now the demand is going up to after increased user repeat that means our comfort invest that her AR VR apps and coming method go grow ARV Explore reach 108 billion sales market and 2022 there's niche offer exchange because in early adopted of exchange technical that will be shown improvement e-commerce business. Hashtag for webs hardware follow and look at niche examples. The VPN industry fast becoming highest look at business idea is VPN for many happy thousands of VPN for exchange local markets. H5 online learn platform start business idea. Before you say they are already made education portals available just keep in mind we are demand the RK our entry online thinking is not increased number student who is looking for a way access education because it's that point the field is wide open and your pick potential and other sub niche going into 2021. If you looking ideas, I made this ideas some e-commerce constitute for. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel for latest mission update.